How to set up proxies with Geelark. Head over to the dashboard and pick the plan you want to use. Then hit the Generate Proxy button. After that, set your country, state, and city and click Update Changes. Open the app and click on New Profile, then give it a name. Next, choose either HTTP or SOCKS 5 for the proxy type. Go back to the generator and tweak your sticky session settings. You can set it anywhere from 1 minute to 24 hours with our new super sticky feature. Copy a proxy session, return to the app, and paste it in the IP field. It'll fill in the other fields automatically. Click Check Proxy to make sure everything's working, then hit Auto Match and click OK. Finally, just click Start. It's setting up an Android session now. Have fun browsing using high-quality, fast proxies from LightningProxies.